And today we're in a 3-bedroom, 2-bath that's just at 1,400 square feet and just under $400,000 at Shores of Panama. Join us to see the view that you could get here. We're in the 31 stack, and basically if you have a room number that ends in 31, you would get this same view. The only difference is going to be how much sky you get and how little sand. The stacks change dramatically in this unit because it is horseshoe shaped. So just taking you over to another middle unit would give you a full view of the pool. Down below we have Pineapple Willie's in case you need a drink and some delicious ribs. Here we are at the 1-bedroom plus bunk room at Shores of Panama still. These are 907 square foot, and as you can see, they add quite a bit of space for the bunk rooms. It's not like the typical bunk halls that you get. And these are priced at $251,000, 907 square feet. We are currently on the in the 11 stack, so you will see the typical view of the 11th floor in just a moment. Here's the master, or the only full bedroom, if you will, and then we'll take you around to the master bath.
Check out the view from the bedroom.
So here's this very spacious living area that you walk out to the balcony from. And as you just saw, you also have a wonderful view of the beach from the master bath in these units. I love this level. I think it's perfect for the view of the pool area and the beach, especially good for people with families so that you can keep an eye on your children and still see what's happening on the beach side. So here we are at the Shores of Panama. We've shown you some of the different views that you can get from the different rooms, different styles, and we've shown you this amazing pool area that runs along the world's most beautiful beaches.
Which stack are we in right now? Because this is my favorite view. I like overlooking the pool.
We are in the 14 stack right now. Yeah.
Try and stick around 14 if you want to look over the pool and see the beach. This is dope. I love this.
It is. It's a great view. We love it. This is the first time I've actually been on this stack and this level, and I believe it's my favorite as well. So if you guys want to come see what you could get in Panama City Beach with an amazing spa, I think it's even star-shaped, and bar area, and sip pina coladas by the pool and the beach.
It is star-shaped. Yes, please. Our contact information is below if you want to come check out property here, or if you got a condo to sell here, you know who to call.
Check it out, subscribe. There is more to come.